Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. So today I'm going to give a try to one look which you can see out here. This look is inspired by Katrina Kaif, and in this video today I'm going to review few products which I have got. It is from K Beauty. It has launched and it has been a while, and I thought of I'd seen many YouTubers reviewing these products and appreciating that too. So I know I'm a little late, but I thought of just getting my hands on few products which is come up by Katrina Kaif, and you all know that how popular she is, her dressing sense, her makeup, and I think everybody just rave about that. So I also thought of getting my hands on those products and see if it is really working, and whatever the buzz we have out there, if it is really true or not. So I've got these four products from K Beauty. So if I show you one by one, this I have a lip liner which I'll discuss with you in detail in the in the coming clips. So I have a liner. I also have a primer by K Beauty, and I do have the eyeshadow stick, which in the video I'm going to use it also as contouring stick. You can definitely use it, there is no harm. And I have K Beauty blush. So all these four products I chose because this particular look which I'm carrying now, I was inspired to that, and I thought why not create this look having just four products, and few products I just use like moisturizer and all with from the some different brand. So but my focus and my content is based on K Beauty today, and check how the brand is out there and how is it doing, and I will be talking definitely on how is the texture and blendability, and also if it is soft or not, how is it on your face, and how is the outcome when you use it all together, what are the results and how the makeup looks. So all you are interested to know how the K Beauty brand is out there and how I created this look, then please let's get started and stay tuned with me. Hey guys, so as I told you, I'm gonna do my entire makeup using K products. So only using these 4 products, I'll be just covering my face or try to get Katrina's look. So let's see how it goes. So what I have done is, since I'm gonna focus on those 4 products, so I have already done my base. So for base I have not done it too heavy because I don't want it to be too heavy. So what I have done, I have used this moisturizer from the Body Shop Carrot Cream, and then I just, instead of just covering it with foundation or any BB cream, today I just thought my skin was good and I did not have any breakout or something, so I just used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Yeah, so this shade is 10 light. So I just used the concealer and I blended it with PAC 252, yeah, this stippling brush. So that's it. So that's how my base is done. Now I'm gonna move ahead with the content or the subject which I just wanted to showcase. First, after my concealer, what I thought of just doing, concealer I did before, I just thought of covering everything. Now I'm gonna use color correcting primer. So this primer is by K Beauty. All it has, I'll just read it for you. It says color correcting primer enriched with avocado and mango butter, and this also even tone your skins, and it does the job of priming your skin. So you can use it even before concealer. If you have really dark spots or something, I would suggest you to use this first on your spots and then move ahead with the cream and foundation or any concealer you want. This tinted primer is available in many shades. However, today's my shade is peach. You can see peach here. When I open the box, it comes out like this. Yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. I'll show you on my hand how it looks, like so. Can you see? It's really in peach color. Yeah, and it blends well. So I'll show you on my face how it looks. So I have put that wherever I had a little bit of spots. However, I'd use little concealer also, but I just thought if I use concealer and this primer, it would go or it would mix well. So reason why I did this. If you want, you can alone use this would be good. Let's blend this in. I think it is also giving some glow effect, highlighting effect, if you could see. Yeah, I haven't used any highlighter or any facial oil or something. I think I'm liking this finish. It's really good, guys. It just blends so magically. I didn't come to know when I just blended this in, and I'm using this for the first time, but I just feel that my face is set with this, and I have used it so many times. So I think I'm liking this kind of. I'll just use it here with a tiny spot. I think if you have to rush somewhere out and you don't have time to layer so many products, I feel that this color correcting primer is good to go ahead. As I told you, it blends well, and even if you don't use many things, as I told you, I used only concealer, so it gives me the good finish, and also it blends well, and it does not give me any creasy effect or something. And I feel that the color correction peach one what I have is good. I have also seen it's available in different shades like yellow and green or purple or something, but I feel that this is best because it just matches your face, your tone. If you are in the dusky side, I think it would kind of match. So far I'm liking this product. I told you, using these 4 products, the pic which you would have seen of Katrina, I just want a somewhere look like that because I just kind of like that look. So so what I'll do my eyes and contouring with the next product which I have here. Yeah, so this is K Beauty Matte Time Eyeshadow Stick with Caramide and Macadamia Oil. So I'll show you how it looks. This shade is Splendid. So this shade is Splendid, and show you how it looks. The packaging is good, guys. It comes in this box packaging, and here you can see it is like this, so that the product holds well and does not move anywhere when it comes. So this is how the eyeshadow looks. The shade is Splendid. You will get all the product link in the description box. I got this from Nykaa. So this is how the shade looks. So I'll show you the hand swatch. Yeah, here, so you can see this is the eyeshadow. So I chose this color because I just wanted one product from K Beauty which does the work of eyeshadow and also for the contouring. When a little bit of contouring, it is important, and sometimes why to invest in so many products when one product can serve the purpose. So the reason why I chose this stick only, I will do my kajal and eyeshadow. So first I'll do my kajal. This is creamy, you guys. This is very creamy. Can you see? I just I just swiped once, and it's just moving on. No wonder why people are just appreciating this product. Can you see? Wow. If somebody does not want to buy any kajal, they can buy just this, in different shades they can have and they can use. So this is how, but I don't want it to be like this. I want it to blend, so I'll just blend this. It's really blending well. This is not any sponsored video, guys. I'm using this for the first time and I think I'm liking this. Reason why, I'm just giving you my reviews however I like. Yeah, so I just blended in. I also want it here. This also I'll blend. First I'll just put the product in this brush. This brush, you can see it is little stiff and stippled in, however still it is blending well. So once this is blended in, I'll make it little intense from this side, as I have seen Katrina doing. Yeah, from the outer corner. So let's move on and use the same eyeshadow stick as a contouring stick. So I'll just take this. Yeah, I'll make some mark so that I can blend this in here, and a little bit here. I'm just taking this brush to blend this in. This is the contouring brush. So as I told you guys, this is blending well. Not the product I feel which just just sets in the skin, and some products are like so sets well or so fix it off, you cannot blend them. But I feel you can blend them well. But I feel you can blend this well, whatsoever you use. Okay, so the contouring is done. You can see, if you see from far or from front or very close look, you won't be able to make out that I have any harsh lines on my face. I did contouring all over jawline, my cheek, forehead, nose, everywhere, but this blends so well, and it's really smooth like a butter. I'm definitely gonna use this stick in my upcoming makeup videos because I'm impressed with this. So next product what I have is blush by K Beauty. So this blush is here. This blush name is Matte Blush. I think the shade is Soft Nude, and it is enriched with avocado and mango butter. So I'll show you how the packaging is very good, guys. This box is sturdy, and when I open and show you, it is with the good packaging. Can you see when I open, it is got the foam as well, so that it does not break while coming. It has got foam and the cover of paper. So I'll just take it out. It's beautiful, guys. The case is so beautiful. I'll show you. See this? So this is so beautiful that it gives you the luxurious feel. And all the K Beauty's product what they have really done a good job on packaging. If you see this is so sleek. You can see here, you can see matte blush, shade name is here, and other things, ingredients list and all. So if I open this and show you, it opens like this. You can see one mirror out here. I also have this covering. I'll show you the hand swatch. It looks like this, pinkish. So the shade is really good and neutral. You can see it again, it blends well. I don't know what they have used in these, it blends so well. This is so smooth. I have used different other brands and different other products, but credibility of the product is really very good. Giving you my honest opinion, so you can just take my words. It's good when you try to blend this. Yeah, however, I feel it came to me, I used it once, and I feel that it a little dangerous to just put your brush in and just start using, because pigment what we have for the blush is really high. So if you take your brush and try to use it, little tricky, because you would end up using so much of product in, because the pigment is high. So if you just take the brush and take too much of product, it will show on your face, which we kind of don't want. So just be very light when you pick the product and use it on your face. I'm taking this brush, the blush brush. So as I told you, I'll take a very little. Yeah, can you see how high pigmented this is? So I'll just brush excess. Yeah, and also I feel only thing is that the fallout is more. I feel it is just falling off. So only that part I'm not liking. However, it's good. Yeah, it does the work. It comes in many shades, dark shades. However, the nude kind of a shade, I found this is like helpful when it comes to nude. I'll just take a brush. I told you right, the pigment is too high, that you have to blend it really well. If you see my videos, you would have seen my video on remedies to treat your digestive issue, the talk video what I made like last week. Seeing that video, few people had asked me what blush have you used in that video. So that was K Beauty blush, because that day it reached to me and I just thought of using and trying, so that I can make videos. Is the answer. Yeah, moving on, next product what I have is the lip pencil by K Beauty. So this lip pencil, it says matte action lip pencil enriched with chamomile and marula oil. So the shade what I had chosen is Dance Off. It matches to that photo which I liked, Katrina's look, so I just thought of picking this. On daily basis I use light colors, neutral tones. I have less lipsticks which fall under dark shades, dark tones, so the reason why I just thought of giving this a trial. It's a little dark shade. So if you are someone who likes dark shade, you are gonna like this. So yeah, so this is how the pencil looks. It came with the outer plastic covering, which I just torn off. So this is how I'll show you the hand swatch. This is how it looks. So this is how the lip liner looks. It does the job of lipstick, because I have not chosen any lipstick from K Beauty. I thought to have my hands on only on these products, and all I like, only then I'll move ahead and buy few more. So this time I had lip liner, so I just filled this in. So let's discuss what are the prices of these K Beauty products. So let me tell you first, whatever the market price we have, which I'm going to tell you, it is always not available on the same. You definitely do get some discount on this. If you check it on Nykaa or Amazon or purple.com, you will surely get discount as well. Even I got discount, so I'll tell you. The first product what I have is this primer. So the primer cost is $7.99. I have this eyeshadow stick by K Beauty. So this price is not written out here, however it was given on the primer. This price is $4.99. Next up, talking about the blush. So blush price is also not available out here. This is 8.5 grams, which I can see, and this the MRP for this blush is $7.99, and I got this on discount. After discount is $5.99. Lip liner what I have, K Beauty lip liner is of 550 rupees, and after discount I got this off for 400 something. All these four products what I had, it was available on MRP, but I waited on Nykaa to get a good offer, and then here and there I got offers, and I got it on discount. So same way you can also purchase these products. I'll be giving the link over here. If you ask my verdict on this, I like this product, and I feel that when I talk about the blendability, it blends well. If you talk about the smoothness and softness of the products like blush and primer and all, it is soft. It is not at all harsh on your face. Whatever look you wanted to achieve, it works on that, and it is highly pigmented for sure. And it stays for long, what I felt, it stays for really long time. Talk about the price range, it is like, it's good, you know that it's Katrina Kaif's brand, and its brand is doing really well. People are liking these products. So I feel that, if you're getting good product, it suits your skin, it shows the makeup well, then definitely you can spend in this. I'm gonna surely repurchase this product, and I have already wishlist few lipsticks and highlighters and all from K Beauty brand. So for sure I'm gonna try my hands on that too. So I would highly recommend you this product from K Beauty, the brand by Katrina Kaif, and I wanted to tell her good job, Katrina Kaif, because the product is really awesome. That's it for today's, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, the review tutorial, and the makeup look what I had created. If you wanted more such videos, please do comment me below, and please like this video. If at all you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the notification bell so that you can get the updates of my videos in advance, and you can have a look at that. So thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. Hope it was helpful to you. Bye.